Many of you must have experienced this problem frequently. Suppose you receive an Excel sheet from your colleague that has many blank or empty rows in between. To clean this data for further analysis or applying filters, you need to get rid of these blank rows. Then do not waste your time selecting and deleting these rows individually. Instead, try this trick. First, select your data. Then in the Home tab, click on Find and select Option. Select Go to Special from the menu and select Blanks from the list. Further, click on Delete button in the Home tab and select Delete Sheet Rows from the menu. All the blank rows will be deleted together. Simple, isn't it? Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video with your friends and colleagues. For more updates, ensure that you subscribe to our channel. For any kind of training related to Microsoft Office 365, Advanced Excel, VBA, Macros, Power BI, Google Workspace, contact us on the numbers mentioned. We would be happy to help. Sankalpk. Learn today, lead tomorrow.